Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. So Billboard predicts that Vybz Kartel will win Best Reggae Album in the 67th Annual Grammy Awards in the US. And if you never know, the contenders for the Best Reggae Album this year are Take It Easy by Buds, Party With Me by Vybz Kartel, Never Gets Late Here by Shenseea, Bob Marley One Love inspired by the film, and Evolution by the Wailers. However, according to Billboard, Vybz Kartel's story may be too irresistible for the competition, and his first nomination comes on the heels of a monumental year after serving 13 years in prison for a now overturned life sentence. As you know, Kartel was released last July, and by December he was back on stage headlining the historic Freedom Street concert, described by Billboard as the biggest concert the country had seen in nearly 50 years. Some people will beg to differ because Buju Banton Long Walk to Freedom concert in 2019, as well as Burna Boy and the Chris Brown concerts held on the same venue, and they gathered massive audiences as well. So the article continues to say, although Party With Me doesn't feature massive hits like Fever or Clocks, Kartel's influence combined with his triumphant return on stage could tip the scales in his favor, says Billboard. So in other story, man fatally shot in Manchester identified as the suspect in TikToker's Niah gang killing. So according to the Observer, the police have named the murder suspect who was fatally shot during an alleged confrontation in Downs, Manchester, Wednesday morning. He is Romain Thompson, otherwise called Rumstein. Police said that Thompson was a suspect in the December 7 murder of TikTok influencer Xavier Fogar, OC Niah gang, who was killed while posting live on popular platform TikTok and Pantan Lane, St. Catherine. Police also said that Thompson was also a suspect in the August 5, 2023 murder of Constable Justin Martin at a bar in Sandy Bay, declaring that Thompson was also said to have been linked to various crimes in St. Catherine. So if you never know, Thompson met his demise on Wednesday when, according to police report, about 4:10 a.m., cops went on an operation in Downs district in search of him. He reportedly challenged the police in a gun battle. A policeman sustained minor injuries as he was saved by his vest. Police said that the gunfire was returned and the suspect wounded. He was taken into the hospital where he was pronounced dead. A firearm was also seized. Justice has prevailed. So you see, you try to take a man's life, it seems as if you take countless lives, but you never think that one day your life would have take back down. Yeah man, that of the Niah gang, as also the other rest of man them where you kill. You see it, you nearly all kill squaddies. So, you know that did for reach, you see it.